Welcome back to another unboxing. More camera gear to check out today from the one and only Neewer. This is one of those Z tilt base plates for a tripod, for a camera tripod of course. It's in the usual plastic that you get from the likes of Neewer and Small Rig and such. But today I believe this is a new rig one. Neewer? This is Neewer. Anyway, we're going to do some cutting with the trusty knife just to get through the plastic here. Let's see what we can do. Let's get through that last little piece. Here we go. You can indeed see it's from Neewer. Okay, we should be able to open one end both. I've got some tape, so we're going to go with this one. Chopping it off with the knife. Sometimes to get leverage, you got to pull it towards your body a little bit. Alright. It's got some weight to it. Oh, there's an Allen key that comes straight out. There we go. Here we go. There we go. Out of the box. Yeah, also in the box is the customer service card, the typical Neewer customer service card. We'll put that to the side. We've got a plastic bag. It should come out of the plastic bag like so. You can see we've got like a camera mount here, and underneath we've got both size threads, so you can go with the larger or the smaller. For example, a ball head like this would go in the smaller one, and so on. And basically what this does is, if I can figure it out, how does it come apart? Oh, there we go. Basically you've got this sort of action. So this part sits on the tripod. So if you're looking from, say this is a tripod here, sits on the tripod, and then you can put your camera here, and then you can sort of get it to set angles where maybe you want to angle it up or tilt it down, do a top-down shot. So all the various things. This has a huge winding wheel. So if you want to like thread that onto the base of a camera, you can turn that quite easily. You got a little spirit level there, let you know it's level. And of course the Allen key is to adjust anything where the Allen key goes, which includes the stiffness of the mechanism here. So basically these are for the joints, so either this one here and then the ones at the bottoms on the inside. The Phillips head is to adjust the tension. The Allen key is to adjust the tension on those. And so if I had a camera handy, which I don't, I could mount it there. Have we got, let's use the box as a substitute. That's the camera. I can angle it up, angle it down, way out to the side, or fold it all the way back in like that. So that's one of the, it's technically called a Z-shaped camera bracket, according to the box. Neewer Z-shaped camera bracket. It's like a Z, you can call it a Z mount. Handy for doing interesting shots, converting a tripod, giving yourself a bit of extra tilt without using the tilt of the head. A lot of use cases for that in the film and photography area of what you might do as a content creator. I'm expecting that's going to come in handy for shooting B-roll and things like that. So there it is. You get the base Z mount, you get a little Allen key to adjust it, you get the customer service guide, comes in wrapped in plastic and in the box, all the way from Neewer via Amazon. Get into it.